Hello everyone, let's check what Rogers Xfinity Stream Box has inside. So I think here should be voice remote control and a newer updated box. So inside of this package is another box. Let's take it out. So what's inside? It's HDMI cord, power cord. It's much smaller than the previous one, and instructions with setup guide. And the box itself. So it's a very tiny one. And also a new remote control. It looks like it is sealed. So I think I'll just break this package. Just maybe open it from this side. It has a serial number, so when I will go returning, I will just have to save it. New remote looks better than the previous one. So that's it. Also, I forgot to mention that the remote control already includes batteries. 2 Duracell ones. It looks very good.